Inerakoto maituturo narotakie muto amisikin jokana iponelero serie muto lweyo arete alotokorotin kobunga Kampala komanda lwelose SSP Rogers Kauma Sereko ngesi abala ebem inyama kesoma kalwapolo kesi idila duch aituguriani Ipolisin ke ibore ebe tupu aka ngasham.
Traffic officers being intimidated on the road. We have so many armed people on the road, and in the process of breaking the law, once they are booked by a traffic officer, people brandish guns, and sometimes we've had our officers shot, and as such it makes enforcement a bit of a challenge, but we manage the only way we know how. And sometimes when we get to know the people who did that, we try to engage with their bosses, and the matter is addressed at that high level. Even some people have their own registered guns, but they're abusing the usage of the gun. Because if a traffic officer is enforcing the law as it is, and then you try to intimidate them because of your gun, then you are not being a good citizen to this country. Because a traffic officer is in a police uniform, is doing government duty. So it is paramount that you respect that officer on the road and not intimidate them.
Ngunda Nsereko ngesabu limwebe ekapakina kesi owetin luipu aiteten ikrisen luibasete kakech alo staje kina subanu kona Namugongo na mukaga.
Such we are okay so far. Of course, we've had some of them who have been knocked dead, but that is very unfortunate. However, many of them are arriving in one piece, and we thank God for that. The traffic management plan that I gave is going to take effect on the 3rd, beginning at 3 a.m. in the morning. However, we might adjust according to the challenges we might face because of the numbers. For example, we had decided to block Charlie Wajala road to pedestrians on the morning of the 3rd, but it might be a little early because of the numbers. Yes, so you will have to adjust accordingly as and when we get these plans. I advised pilgrims to move on the right, reasons being in case of any vehicle approaching and it has lost control, chances are that you will be able to survive that accident because you will manage to try to escape that accident. But if you are moving on the left and a car loses control behind you, then it will be very hard for you to know that there's danger coming after you.
Relax Emi Alomu, TV East, Oibuga, Kampala.